Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel. My name is Ambassador, the CEO of AY Forest Company. I actually want to share a little bit of my story with you guys. The reason why you guys haven't been seeing me online for a while. As at last year, it all started from last year. As at last year, I had this huge amount of money I was supposed to deposit into my Forex account, and I've saved up for a period of time. That was my biggest savings as at then. The money is huge. I know it might not be huge for some of you, but it was huge for me. I lost it. I didn't lose it in trading. I lost it in the transaction. I lost the money in the transaction. I made mistake in the transaction ID, and that was it. I tried tracking it from different ways, but it was of no use. I have been trying to find myself in the process. I've really lost myself. I lost myself. I lost everything. I was everywhere. I tried to recover that money, not through hard work or anything, but through greed. I tried desperately to recover that money because in the process of the recovery, I was losing the money. I was losing my personal money that I kept for my personal self, my academics, because I'm a student, my academics, and also my personal needs like feeding and all of that, my rent and all this stuff. I tried to recover those. I tried to get the money that I lost through the transaction, through the small capital that I have deposited in my account, and I always blew it. I might make small profit, then I blew the rest. That's because I was trying to revenge trade. I was trading with an M, not just a profit M. I was trading with a revenge sorry. I really wanted to get back that money that I lost so bad that I thought I could do everything possible to get it. And in the process, I was losing myself. I was losing a lot of money too. I lost consistently. Consistently, if I want to range my profit to my loss, as at last year, I made profit, but I was kind of recovering back my capital, not profitable. So that's because I really wanted to get back that money so bad. But here we are. And this year I stopped academy also. For those of you that had been reaching out to me asking me about academy as of last year and this year, I had stopped. I told you guys, but I didn't tell you guys the reason. Now if you come across this video, you're going to know the reason why I stopped teaching. I just couldn't give out what I don't have, or what I didn't have anymore. So I stopped. I didn't want to lie because I'm a very transparent person. I don't like to lie to myself or to people around me. So that was why I stopped the academy. So if you come across this video, please, this is the reason why I wasn't replying or responding to the academic aspect anymore. And I was honest with the students that I had as at last year, the few students I had. I told them that I am not trading for a while because I'm trying to recover something. I'm trying to recover an amount of money that I lost through the transaction of through my transaction. So guys, I lost myself, and then as at this year, early this year, I think January, ending of January, WhatsApp deleted my account. So I helped WhatsApp and just ghost social media. I logged out and uninstalled all social media accounts from my phone, my personal social media account, and all of that. I uninstalled them from my phone, so I wasn't on social media for a while, and I was trying to discover myself. I have been studying, and I've been studying, and I have really been profitable in my study. I have really been profitable, so I'm not quitting Forex. My study have been very profitable. I tried buying Profem accounts as last year and this year, but I was always reading one or two rules that I personally don't see sometimes. So, but I'm going to still get Profem because I've done my research on Profem, and when I get the Profem that's going to finally pay me, I will come out here and tell you guys to use this Profem. I will tell you guys the truth. Use this Profem if I see that Profem. And guys, I hope that I'll be coming out more because I'm really not a social media person. I might make videos like as of last year. I had a lot of videos that I supposed to upload, teaching and all of that, but I didn't just see any reason why I should post it. I am like that, so I don't really like taking my personal life out there, and I don't really like to be all over the camera all the time. But I'll try as much as possible to do it this year. Thank you to everybody that reached out and tried to know what's going on and all of that. I really appreciate it. But it was mostly my family members. People really didn't reach out like that much. When I came back online, I didn't really see messages and all of that. And it was really heartbroken, but of course, I'm a forex trader. Loss is part of it. So that alone is also a loss. But I really appreciate those that reached out. I am grateful. Thank you. For those of you that really wanted to learn forex, I am still not teaching at the moment, but I will be posting more about forex. I'll just be teaching what I've studied and discovered online. I'll be posting more. I will try to be posting more. I know it's not easy. Editing the videos personally, it's all of that. I don't know if I should be paying somebody to be editing it for me. And again, for those of you that want to go into trading or that is trading and is profitable at the moment, I want to tell you for a fact, please don't make forex your only source of income. Don't make forex your only source of income. It's quite draining, and it would have been a lot for me if forex was my only source of income. And I thank God that I had something else I was doing, CPA marketing, click pay action, and it's really stressful. Not like forex that you just have to be smart and then you make profit, but CPA marketing, you have to put a lot of work before you can see profit. So I want to thank you guys that really reached out and still did not unfollow me when you saw my post. And then TikTok also deleted my account or something. I don't really know what happened, but I was like, maybe this was a sign for me to disappear from social media. So that's why I really uninstalled the rest and try to focus and study more. And also, academics was also taking a lot of my time. It was really drowning. It was drowning me. I was really all over everywhere. I was everywhere, and at the same time, I still did not have money. For people out there, when they see me, because I'm this person that you might be in the same house with me and encounter loss, and you don't know I encounter loss. I make profit, you don't know I make profit. You see me out, I'm going through a lot, but I won't tell you that I'm going through a lot. I'm that one person. So I really don't blame people that did not reach out and felt that all was okay, because that is how I've made everybody think and believe and see me. But I want to thank the rest that reached out. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more this time around. Thank you guys. See you guys on my next video, where I'll be talking more about forex, and the one after. Bye guys. It's AYFX.